Okay, I'm taking off my helmet because let's take pictures. Yes. As you can see, I'm bringing my props over here, which is of course I couldn't wear when I'm driving. Okay, so gusto ko tong ano na to get up na to. Yes. I'm so orange. Isn't that great? Okay. Whoops. Okay. Just for the pictures of it. And para maipakita ko po na nakapunta ako dito as far as, as far as this place. This is part of Cagsiay Dos. Yeah. And usually I'm all just, driving over there in the town. So that's why I purposely came over here all by myself, of course. Wala naman akong kasama. So I can see people fishing. Ayan, maraming mga taong nagfi-fishing. Of course, kung may fishing rod lang ako, then I will also do some fishing, I guess. Okay, I have to check if hindi ako mahulog. Okay, so I'm here already, Cagsiay Dos. Okay, so I just like to take the pictures kasi ang ganda ng mga rocks over here. They're black, very volcanic, but it's okay. We don't need white sands all the time. Okay, so that's it. Lucky bird on a wing, let your love find you to all living things and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean. That's the reason